You ever finish your day and just feel done? Like not just tired, but mentally, emotionally, and physically drained, as if someone unplugged your brain and forgot to charge it overnight. You get home, all you can do is collapse. Maybe you scroll your phone for hours. Maybe you sit in silence staring at the wall, like a character in a sad movie. Maybe you promise yourself you'll do something productive, but before you know it, boom, it's bedtime, and you've got nothing left for yourself. It's exhausting, isn't it? No matter how much rest you get, you still wake up running on low battery mode, and even sleep doesn't fully recharge you. I used to feel like that every single day, until I finally figured out why. And more importantly, I found 7 simple changes that made me feel human again. If you're sick of feeling drained all the time, listen closely, because these might just change your life. Number 1, I created a fake commute. Commuting used to be the worst part of my day. But when it was gone, I realized it actually served a purpose. That trip home helped me switch modes. Work brain, off. Home brain, on. Now, work ends and boom, I'm stuck on the couch, scrolling, no reset. So I started faking a commute. A short walk, 10 minutes, no phone, no distractions, just fresh air. At first I felt ridiculous. My neighbors probably think I'm living a double life. Harry, why does Master leave the house twice a day? But you know what? It works. That simple walk tells my brain, work is over. Time to be human again. Number 2, I stopped treating my couch like a black hole. The couch is dangerous, not in an actual way, but in the, I'll just sit for a second kind of way, because that second turns into 4 hours and suddenly the sun has set. You're still in your work clothes, and you've memorized the YouTube algorithm for raccoon heist videos. So I made a rule before I touch the couch. I have to do one thing that makes me feel alive. Stretch, cook something real, play a song and dance like an injured flamingo. It doesn't matter what it is. The point is to break autopilot. And here's the twist. Once I do that one thing, I actually enjoy my rest more. Number 3, I made an after work me playlist. Music is magic. One song can flip your mood in seconds. So I built a soundtrack for my evenings. It starts slow, chill songs that ease me out of work mode. Then it builds into energy, movement, fun, and yes, I dance, even if I look like a confused flamingo. Because rhythm, movement, and laughter, they recharge me. Find your soundtrack. Play it every evening. Let it remind you, your time is yours. Number 4, I stopped giving work my best energy. For the longest time, my job got the best version of me. My sharpest focus, my patience, my problem solving. By the time I got home, I was running on fumes. Nothing left for me. Then one day I asked myself, why am I giving my best energy to something that would replace me in 2 weeks if I quit? That thought hit me hard, so I shifted. I still do my job well, but I stopped letting it consume me. No overthinking emails. No stressing over things I can't control. No making every mistake feel like the end of the world. And guess what? The world kept spinning. My boss didn't fire me, but I got something priceless back. Energy for my own life. Number 5, I learned to say no without feeling like a villain. So much exhaustion doesn't come from work itself. It comes from saying yes to everything. Plans we don't want. Extra tasks that aren't even ours. Favors that drain us. We say yes, then regret it immediately, but we still do it. Because saying no feels selfish. So I started saying no. Kindly, that sounds great, but I'm keeping this evening for myself. And guess what? People didn't get mad. They just said, cool. Let me know when you're free. And just like that, I got my time back, my energy back, my peace back. Number 6, I gave my brain a break without doom scrolling. I used to think scrolling was rest, but it wasn't. It was just swapping one overload for another. So instead, I tried real rest. 5 minutes of journaling, a few pages of a book, music, silence. Even lying on the floor staring at the ceiling. Sounds silly, right? But it worked. Because for once, my brain wasn't running a marathon. It was actually resting. Number 7. I found something to look forward to. For too long, my evenings felt like a dead zone. Work, eat, scroll, sleep, repeat. So I started adding little sparks of joy. A hobby, a new recipe, a funny show, even just a snack I was excited about. And suddenly, my evenings weren't empty anymore. They were mine. If you're always exhausted after work, it's not just because you're busy. It's because you're not recharging the right way. Rest isn't about doing nothing. It's about doing the right things that actually recover your energy. Your time after work isn't the leftovers of your day. It's the part that matters. The part where you get to be you. So don't wait for the weekend to feel alive again. Try just one of these changes. See how it feels. Because you don't just deserve to rest. You deserve to live. If this hit home, subscribe to Silent Sifu. Share this with a friend who always feels drained. And drop a comment with your after-work ritual. Your time is yours. Now take it back.